iPhone X could be about to get a brand new color to restore sales. Apple could be about to launch a brand new iPhone X color today, according to the latest rumors. Apple fans could soon see the iPhone X available in a fresh new color scheme. The Cupertino tech giant are rumored to be preparing a brand new blush gold color scheme for the iPhone X to help restore sales. The claims from rumor site Makotakara, via 9to5Mac, says Apple are readying a new iPhone X color scheme to help boost sales. The rumors come after leaker Benjamin Giskin said that Apple had already started production of a blush gold iPhone X. Giskin, who was the first source to publish photos of iPhone X dummy units, said the gold iPhone X is being manufactured at Apple factories now. He also tweeted an alleged photo of the upcoming new iPhone X color. Alongside it he tweeted, D21A, blush gold iPhone in production. Prior to the iPhone X being officially announced last September, leaked images emerged of the Apple smartphone in a bronze, copper gold finish. Components like the SIM card trays were also pictured in this color scheme. And it's this style of color that the iPhone X is now being pictured in Giskin's latest photos. Elsewhere, Steve Hemmerstoffer, who runs the OnLeaks Twitter account, said also Apple have a new iPhone color scheme in the works. But while Giskin said a blush gold model was next, Hemmerstoffer said a product red could be being readied. The tech leaker did not say which iPhone model could be getting the new color scheme, so it could be the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus or iPhone X. Hemmerstoffer posted on Twitter, "Take this with a pinch of salt because I got it from a new and therefore still unverified source, but I heard that new red-colored iPhone S might be on his way." Apple are holding an event in Chicago today where the new iPhone colors could potentially be announced. Apple's March event takes place on Tuesday 27 in Chicago at 10 a.m. local time, 3 p.m. GMT. There's no confirmation on what is going to be announced, but there's plenty of rumors and speculation that suggests new device could be on the agenda. The invite, which reads "Let's take a field trip," includes an image of the famous Apple logo which appears to have been hand-drawn using the Apple Pencil stylus. And the rumor mill is abuzz with claims an updated entry-level iPad could be announced that includes Pencil support. It's also been claimed that a new MacBook Air could be unveiled at the big Apple event. Apple could also spring a surprise and announce the long-rumored iPhone SE 2. But, as with all rumors, it's best to take them with a pinch of salt until there's official confirmation.